Dear guys, today I will be telling you about the skilled recognized graduate visa. Australia's skilled recognized graduate visa is subclass 476 for engineers. Subclass 476. This visa allows recent engineering graduates to live, work, and study in Australia for up to 18 months. You must have completed an engineering degree from a specified universities within the past 2 years. So the stay is 18 months, allowed work or study. Visa fee is 410 Australian dollars. Processing time is 13 to 16 months. The Australian Visa 476 is a treat for all recent engineering graduates who wish to gain practical experience in Australia. The profound category of this visa, commonly known as Subclass 476, is the best option for all recent engineering graduates of Pakistan who wish to experience a lavish lifestyle in Australia for up to 18 months. During this time period, students can easily obtain useful work experience of working in an economical prosperous country and return to their homeland. You can even apply for permanent residency while living there. Undeniably, it is one of the most futuristic opportunities that unfold itself as an opportunistic doorway to success for all graduates who enthusiastically wish to initiate a professional career. However, However, if you are a graduate who graduated in the past 2 years with PEC acceleration, you are always eligible to apply for this 476 visa and get this opportunity to flourish your career. Once you fulfill the requirement of the visa, you can always land a great job in your own educational field and grab the best experience of serving in an Australian organization to upswing your career. Advantages of for the visa 476. Subclass 476 visa is quite an intrinsic worth when it comes to looking out for numerous benefits of change the course of your life. It hails with tremendous advantages that nails the optimum choice to opt the for suitable graduation. The following are the key points for accomplishing a 476 subclass visa. A full-time work allowed. Without bank statement, one gets to live in one of the most resplendent nation states of the world. The meticulous experience of serving in an eminent Australian organization. The Australian PR is also achieved as one of the paramount merits. The students are refurbished with the golden opportunity to enhance their education careers by acquiring admissions in Institute of Australia. One can also always take their partners or kids. The conditions are that you must be under 31 years of age, have completed an engineering degree in the past 2 years, and have taken an IELTS test with 6.0